It is true that 2024 is Earth's hottest year on record. Summer of 2024 was 1.25 degrees Celsius warmer than the average summer between 1951 and 1980, according to NASA. And August alone was 1.3 degrees Celsius warmer than average, according to data from the European Copernicus Climate Change Service. It is suggested by the end of 2024, global temperatures will be at least 1.5 degrees Celsius warmer than pre-industrial levels. This is a clear indication of the ongoing human-driven warming of the climate, said Gavin Schmidt, director of GIS. Unbearable heat waves around the world killed scores of people and upended daily life. Power outages and wildfire smoke occur. Sustained drought has considerable negative effects on crops and livestock. Cases of mosquito-borne disease are rising. Climate catastrophe is hammering health, widening inequalities, harming sustainable development, and rocking the foundations of peace. The vulnerable are hardest hit, said UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres. Science News recorded places in the world that hit hard by extreme heat wave. In 2024, Phoenix. May, September. Arizona's capitals saw 113 consecutive days of daytime temperatures above 37.7 degrees Celsius, with hundreds of heat-related deaths reported. Phoenix has one of the world's largest urban heat islands, with city temperatures higher than those in the surrounding rural areas. Mexico City, May-June. An extreme heat wave, combined with an extended drought, resulted in blackouts and was linked to more than 120 deaths. The resulting water scarcity raised concerns that North America's largest city was only weeks away from day zero, a hypothetical day when the region would run out of water. São Paulo, August-September. Extreme heat during the Southern Hemisphere's winter, combined with a prolonged drought, fueled wildfires in Brazil's Amazon rainforest. There were 14 fine particles in São Paulo's air. From September 9th to September 12th, São Paulo was ranked as the world's most polluted city due to fine particle levels 14 times higher than the World Health Organization's recommended limit. Rio de Janeiro, March. During a heat wave in Brazil, the highest measured temperature was 41.6 degrees Celsius. However, it felt even hotter. The heat index, which includes humidity, reached a record 62.2 degrees Celsius, pushing the limits of human heat tolerance. Manila, April. The Philippines' megalopolis of over 14 million people sweltered through a deadly 15-day heat wave, an event that would not have occurred without climate change. The heat caused water shortages, crop losses, and school closings. Paris, July-August. Temperatures during the Olympics may not have broken records, but they were still extremely hot. Researchers determined that without climate change, Paris would have been about 2.5 degrees cooler. As a result, athletes faced increased risk during the Games. Longyearbyen, July-August. Temperatures in the world's northernmost settlement, on Norway's Spitsbergen Island in August, reached 20 degrees Celsius, more than 1.7 degrees higher than the previous record set in 1997. In July, the ice caps there broke the all-time record for daily melting, losing ice at 5 times the normal rate. Bamako, Sus. February-April. Heat waves in West Africa's Sahel region caused power outages and increased hospital admissions. From April Vista to April 4th, a hospital in Mali's capital recorded 102 deaths. Climate change increased daytime temperatures by 2.7 degrees, while keeping nights 3.6 degrees warmer than usual. Delhi. May-June. India's capital territory experienced 40 consecutive days of daytime highs of 40 degrees Celsius, with a new record of 49 degrees Celsius set on May 28th. The non-profit organization Heatwatch India estimates that the unrelenting heat killed over 100 people. East Antarctica. July. At winter's peak, temperatures across a big chunk of the continent hovered at 20 degrees Celsius, about 10 degrees higher than normal. The event was the largest temperature anomaly anywhere this year. We urgently need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and strengthen our monitoring and understanding of our changing climate. We need to step up support for climate change adaptation through climate information services and early warnings for all, said Celeste Saulo, the World Meteorological Organization Secretary General.